Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing video on Chinese SKS from Classic Firearms. It's late April 2020, kind of right in the middle of the COVID pandemic. Anyway, just curious to see what we got. Just talking to you a little bit about what this is. So these SKS rifles were, my understanding anyway, designed by the Russians, late 40s, kind of right at the tail end of World War II. And this is a Chinese variant of it that should be Vietnam era. And we're going to see what we end up with. With this, their Classic Firearms has the option to like pick some, what they call hand select, where they pick the best, I guess, out of 10. I did not pick that. I just kind of took the gamble and see what we get. I didn't pick any extra options, so this is just the cheapest way to order the rifle, and we'll see what we get. So some of the things I'm going to be looking for is see if its numbers matching. It's really gross and covered in cosmoline. I guess my hands are getting dirty. So we're going to have a fun time cleaning all that off. So it looks like got some kind of safety warning thing. Look at that later. Yeah, it's definitely really gross and gooey. Okay, let's see here. What do we have? Don't see. Well, like a real small crack in the stock, not too bad, real tiny one, just kind of hairline crack, probably won't even come up on camera, right there. Little nicks and scratches and dings. I don't see, writing? Well, is there? So a lot of these will have trench art or writing, or like people, where a soldier might have carved their name in there or whatever. I'm not seeing necessarily trench art. I think most of this is just dings and dents from being knocked around in storage and whatnot. Looks like there's not a lot of bluing left on it, so you can see this is all nice and shiny, kind of silver. There's not a lot of this bluing, so a lot of that's worn off. This is kind of nice. I've got a milled receiver instead of the stamped receiver, so this is probably a little bit older gun. Let's look at serial numbers and see if its numbers matching or not, or if it's just kind of a mismatch of parts. So it looks like we're 9494 is going to be kind of the number we're looking for. So let's see what we got here. 9494, so that number matches. Trigger does not match, 2797, so we got a different trigger group. Looks like this is the original stock, I think. I see 949 and then probably a 4, but there's a big gouge right there. Okay, the back cover plate back here is not the same number, and it's not the same number as this either, or this. So we got kind of a not numbers matching one. This is also a different number on the bolt, it looks like. So this is definitely kind of a hodgepodge piece together, all kinds of different numbers. Gun. Does have the cleaning rod. Has the spike bayonet on it, which is working. So we got all the parts there. Not super thrilled it's not numbers matching. It is nice it got a milled receiver, but it's I've got at least 3 or 4 different serial numbers on this gun, so hopefully it operates well. But anyway, what questions do you have about the gun, since I know you don't know a whole lot about it?
Why is this stuff all over it?
The cosmoline? So that's for storage. So this thing is a 60-something-year-old rifle that's been sitting in a warehouse forever to keep it from rusting and whatnot. The Chinese military, when they went, there's actually another big crack in the stock right there. That's kind of a bummer. Anyway, they would have coated it in all this to keep it from rusting, to kind of preserve both the wood and the steel. So it's just for long-term storage covered in that. Anyway, a little bit of a bummer. I'm not super happy about the two cracks in my stock. The bluing wear I don't really mind. The at least 3 or 4 different serial numbers I'm not super thrilled about either. So kind of a mix bag. Hopefully it operates well. As long as it operates well, I guess I'll be happy enough. This was $299 for this rifle. So anyway.
Are you going to be able to like clean it up and then actually fire it?
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. It's probably going to take me an hour or 2 of getting all this goop off of it. But yeah, we should be able to clean it up and get it fired or fire it. Anyway, we wrap up the video.